Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a vegetable slicer, but mainly I'll be using it for like cutting onions. So let's check out this item. So this is called the Food Dicer Chop Box, multifunctional. So you can use it for, like, for example here, potatoes. And here are the blade options. So you get a 1/4 inch blade, perfect for chopping cubes and making chips. And then 3/8 inch blade, perfect for chopping cubes and making chips. Wedges, so you can like make orange wedges or like potato wedges. And then a 6 wedge blade, suitable for chopping potato wedges and slicing apples. So everything is just done with 2-hand press. So I will also be testing this. And this is the item itself. There's the presser, crystal clear cover, interchangeable blades, and container, and then the non-slip base. So I'm going to face my camera a little bit down so you can see the item. So here is the chopper. So it comes with instruction here, manual, so some basic instruction how to install it, and then there's the cleaning instruction. Ensure the box is clean before and after use. Whole set dishwasher safe. Wash the chop box easily. Disassemble beforehand. Okay, so let's check it out. So unfortunately we got a little chip, which is just some superficial. Look at this. We got a little chip from in here, but I think it is still usable. Let's just try it out anyways. But that's something to note about with like packaging plastic. So if it's not like cushioned well, yeah, you can get some problems like that. So this part of the chopper is fixed. So this one is the fixed part, and this is the removable part. This is the sharp edge. Now let's take a look at the inside. And you see extra parts. Just push it out. So this kind of plastic, you can't drop it. It's the kind of plastic that breaks when you drop it. It's like a more fragile kind of plastic. So let's see this packaging. Let me zoom out so you can see it better. So you got a bigger oh, maybe I can remove this. I just have to figure it out. But I think this is removable because we do have I got the big instruction how to remove it. A moment. So insert the inner body onto the tray. Let's see if I can figure out how to remove this. Let's figure it out later. And there's the topper for the wedges, and then this is for the bigger cutter. So this is the first one. The second one, the 8 wedge and the 6 wedge. And we also have the, oh, this is the insert. So you got the 8 wedge, you got, so the 8 wedge, the 6 wedge, and then you got, I think this is for, yeah, that's perfect. And then this one is for the one that is attached on the top. So this is the one that's attached. So it's color coded, which is nice. So let's try to chop a piece of potato and see if it works. So you can test the product. I'm going to assemble the chopper. So this is the base. And I believe this is, there we go. So that's the bottom piece and this is the top piece. Okay, so let's see. And I think we need to attach this piece on the top. Okay, that's really easy. And then you got this piece over here. And you gotta put your potato in here. A piece of potato here. It needs to be put vertically, and the length of the potato needs to be the length of the container. So this one is just like the perfect size. So we're gonna put it that way, and oops, gonna be wiggly a little bit. Let me see if I can put it in the middle. Let's see. Yeah, let's do it so you can see it in action. So this is pretty hard. I might have to do it half. So I decided to cut it in half. It sits much better, and I could also try it for the potato wedges. So let's do it in half. It's pretty resistant. Maybe I have the wrong side of the blade. Let me see here. Oh, yeah, you just have to put some force, and I was kind of scared to put some force into it, but yeah, it did cut it. Let me just get this piece out. Okay. So I figured out how to remove this piece, so just twist it sideways, as you can see. And now you can, the whole piece comes out, and you can remove this piece, and you got your potato wedges. These is actually very small, so you would probably prefer the bigger one for potato wedges. This piece is probably better. So that's the potato wedges. Let's try on the bigger piece. I think this one is much better on size. So not yet. Let's attach this bigger cubes to the top. I'm supposed to do it like this, and just there you go to install it. There you go. You got that installed. Actually, install it from the inside. Okay, there you go. So let's try on this bigger piece, and yeah, and at first I kind of hesitated to like push it so hard, but yeah, use some force there when you push it. That one is so much easier. So as you can see, that one just fell right off, and it's a much bigger slice. So this would be really helpful for cutting like onions if you don't want to like be crying the whole time when you're cutting onions. This would be perfect. So that's our sample for today. I did thought that I was gonna say it's a bad product, but I just had to use some force in it. But the second one actually worked pretty well. So I think I would suggest this product. I will link it in the description. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.